Now the other industry standard for this front screw I have written down here somewhere. I need to locate that. I've been numbering my stalks for, I don't know, 30 years. I didn't before that because I didn't know it'd turn into this. I have had that to help identify a few guns that were stolen a couple times in the past. I keep a record of all my stuff, all my work, my customers. Now I'm ready to mark out the checkering pattern. This is what I use to hold it during finishing, and also in my checking cradle. I'll just slip a pin through that and put it in my cradle, and that way I can work on it. Honestly, I didn't know that quilting was there when I selected this piece, but that tree, I cut this tree down in Athens, Tennessee 10 years ago or so, and me and another guy, a friend of mine, went in halves on it. He's passed away now. I miss him. That tree had a lot of quilting in it. It really did. A lot of pieces came out quilted. This was obviously right at the bottom of the tree, right close to the base. And it really has had some pretty wood in it. Well, it's time to checker this little stock. And my friend that I'm making it for, I showed him this checkering pattern that I had made, I don't know when I invented it, probably 15, 18 years ago. And just drew it up one night, and it just fit the gun that I was putting it on really well. It's a simple pattern. It's not all real jazzed up. It's just a real nice little pattern, and I like it. It's I've never seen it on anything else. I came up with it on my own, and I don't usually repeat patterns, but this one I have several times because people see it and they like it. And so I have put it on several guns. This is one I made for myself here, 6-8 months ago. I made this little 788. It's a youth model rifle, but it's I kind of like little guns. I'm a little guy and I like little things. So anyway, that's what I'm going to put. That's what I'm going to draw on this Mannlicher. Now I'm going to cut out my outline and my master lines, and then I'm going to do my finishing. I usually chuck this thing up in my checkering cradle, but it's tied up right now with a gun, and I want to go ahead and get this done so I can get started finishing. And I'm really anxious to see how that grain looks on this rifle. So I'm just going to hold it and freehand it. Well, she's ready to start finishing, and I'm going to put a natural finish on this and then put a dark linseed oil finish in the checkering because I like it. When I seal a gun, I seal every single square inch of it, especially the parts that are hidden. I don't like leaving any bit of an opening for water, or oil, anything else to get in there and just stay there. So I seal them up pretty tight, inside and out. It seems like it's getting hotter and hotter in here. So it must be getting hotter and hotter outside.
It's 99.
99 degrees. Summer is here. Summer has arrived. First coat. Doesn't look like much right now, I know. That's okay. Patience. Patience. You're never going to be a doctor without patience.